Okay, I saw online people were ordering this thing here. It's this door lock cover. I guess these Teslas here, if you look at it here, if I can show you. Right, where is it? Can you see this here? Nope, down too low. I don't know. This metal thing, people say it's ugly. I don't know. Let's see, this covers it up. So I ordered one to cover up the thing. Hopefully the door will still work with it. They tape up the box really well. Okay. It's got, this is what it looks like inside. It's very well packaged. Are there instructions? No instructions, but I'm gonna guess it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh yeah, that'll be for that. So this will go like that. Boy, that looks actually pretty nice. Curious if the door still closes. Let's try the door, see if the door closes. Yep, like a champ. That's actually pretty cool. I like it. It fits like perfect. Really looks good. Yeah, looks good there instead of that metal thing. And then I guess the other clip you see up there, there's that little hinge thingy. Let me show you here. This hinge thingy way down here. I'm guessing that's what the other pieces are for, because they look like this. Because there's 4 of these things too. So let's see how this goes. It just goes over that. Yep, like there, it snaps in. Oh yeah, looks good. Let's make sure the door still closes again. Yep. So, yeah, it seems like Tesla should include those things anyways, because those are just nice. So I like it. Move the camera up a little bit. So thumbs up for me for those. And it comes with, I'm lying on the battery here. It comes with 4, I guess, for the front seats and the back seats, and 4 of the other things. Seems good. Thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up if you get a Tesla. It looks like it. I think it fits for the Model 3 and Y. At least for the Y, because that's what I got. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and pick one of these up. Links in the description. Bye.